How to use coupons on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use coupons on Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to use coupons on Shein, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply launch the Shein application here, and once you launch the Shein app you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now after you open Shein, if you have any sort of coupon codes or anything that you might want to use, if you come to the Me tab here, you should be able to see everything. Here you can just go to vouchers. These are the current vouchers that you have, and then you can simply choose to apply them, and when you tap on apply you'll be able to apply them to this particular order. So you can try to buy a product and you can apply the coupon code inside those products, and this way you should be able to get some discounts and use the coupons as well. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.